learning to crawl around the date of May 20th, 2008. In front of her are toys of such elaborance she might accept them. Charlene, do you want the toys? We must try option 2. Charlene, you want an Oreo? Just a minute. Okay. You want one of these? Come on. Oh, come in, Delia. Come on, baby. Charlene, don't forget about your goal. Yeah.